Hi y'all, I'm so glad you're here and that you found this video. Today we're going to be opening Lunarly. So if you're new to the channel, this is one of my favorite boxes. Lunarly, and as you can see by the big box, it's a plant month. So Lunarly is a monthly subscription box that revolves around the moon. So you get it before the full moon, and I did receive mine before the full moon, but I went to Sedona for a 4-day weekend, which hopefully I'll be doing a vlog on next month when I can get to it, because I'm so far behind in boxes. I've got, well, I think 10 videos to get done today that I don't think I'll get all of them done. So lots of box openings coming, lots of fun, exciting stuff. But Lunarly is a monthly subscription box. Like I said, it comes before the new moon, and they rotate a candle and a plant, a candle and a plant. So this month is our plant month, and I did open the box and make sure that the plant was getting sun and that kind of thing, just since I knew I wouldn't get to video this for about 5 days after I got the box. But it's a monthly subscription box that runs $49.99 if you order monthly, up to $41.99 if you order 6 months at a time. So let's review really quickly what we got in last month's box. In last month's Lunarly box, we got a sweet release candle, and intention card that you get each month. We got the Glamorizer Rose Elixir oil, and I haven't used that yet because I have like 3 other rose oils already open, but rose oil is always amazing, so I'm sure it's great. We got the Sugar Cube Exfoliator 4-pack, and I passed that on to my daughter, and she said they were amazing. So the Unikite Raw Gemstone, and then the Hansa ring holder. And that is gorgeous. That teal Hansa hand, or Hamasa, I never say it right, I guess, but that hand, and I've got some of my selenite on it, and it's just absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited to have that. Teal's my second favorite color, and I love everything Middle Eastern. So in the medieval organization that I'm in, my persona for 23 years was Middle Eastern Persian. Now I tend to do more of the Tibetan kind of thing. But so let's get to opening this box and see. So when you get the box and you open it up, and my postal guy, I think it's a UPS that they send it by, does really well. So thank you to my awesome UPS guy. I see horror stories of everyone else's plants all over the place, and mine always comes so nice. So let me work to squish this little part out. You've got your little box down here in the bottom with all your goodies, and then the plant on top. And the plant is in there, nice and snug. So let me get this thing out. Okay. So when you get it out, this is how the plant part looks. And then you slip this part off. There we go. Yay! Oh, so pretty. Look how cute. It's so pretty. Okay, let me cut it out of the rest of this. And as you can see, then on the top, it's taped really well in this little box. And then when you cut that open, like that, then you can just open this and the plant will come out. So mine is in pristine, beautiful shape. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Hello! Oh, I love her. She's so pretty. And she's in great health. The tips are in good condition. Looks like just a tiny bit of drying on 1 or 2 of the ends, so I didn't hurt it too bad. She is pretty dry though, so I'll get her watered really fast. But there's our plant for the month. So cute. Then we pull out the little box with all our goodies. Whoops. And as we open the box, There we go. It has our little brochure, or our little, brochure with the products in it that I'll show you later. Our little card, and then everything else is tucked down in there. Well, I already see one thing I'm a little bit disappointed in, but we'll get to it. All right, so this month is the Sap Moon. Remember, they use Native American, so Sap Moon. And then inside has the products that we're getting for the month. And then on the back is about our plant. So let's start with our plant. Our plant is a corn plant. It has the light requirements, water requirements, humidity, plant food, optimum temperature, additional care, and toxicity. It says that it is considered toxic. Ingestion may cause an upset stomach. So don't eat it. It didn't really say anything about pets. Usually it'll say keep away from your pets kind of thing. And I've had these before and my pets have never been interested in them. So hopefully there's not an issue there with pets. But you might want to keep an eye if you do have a pet and if they do seem interested in it. Then we have our intention card with our moon dates. And they are always so pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? I love that. Deep blues. Has a little bit of purple in there. You know me and purple. Then on the back it has the moon dates. And I already did my new moon ritual. I did a really special new moon ritual up in Sedona with my daughter and 2 other people that she works with. And we did an ancestral call. So hopefully if I get that vlog done for Sedona, you'll get to see some of that in there as well. We had an amazing spiritual weekend with drumming and all kinds of stuff. It was so, so cool. We even did our aura pictures before on Friday when we got there, and then after on Monday to see the difference in our aura with all the spiritual work we did. So I'm thinking about doing an aura picture video as well, showing the differences from that weekend, and then I have one from 10 years ago too to see the differences in my aura. So comment below if that's something that you think you'd be interested in. So it says, ever wondered how maple syrup is made? Well, the first step is tapping maple trees for their unusually sweet sap. Since that can only be done around this time of year, we call this the sap moon. What energy can you tap into to create something special? This month, focus on letting your creativity flow. In the intention to inspire, I recognize the potential within me and I'm ready to let it out. Such fun as we're coming, out of the winter and starting to get into the spring. Spring solstice is this month. And so sap moon seems perfect. So I told you that I was a little bit disappointed in something I already saw, so we'll start with it. We have a Mr. bottle, and these are really nice. There's nothing wrong with the Mr. bottle itself, but honestly, this is the 4th one I have, and it's the 2nd one I've gotten from Lunarly in the last year. So a little bit disappointed that they're throwing these out there again, when if you've been with them for a year, you've already had one. So anyway, it is a nice Mr. bottle. It will get passed on to someone. It says glass plant mister. Love spoiling your house plants? Then this glass mister is the perfect accessory. Let's give it a gift of a morning dew to your indoor plants and watch how the added moisture in the air brings a vibrant glow back to their leaves. And I usually use filtered water in my misters, especially if you have a lot of chlorine and stuff like that. Well, I had a candle on my table, set this down, and almost burned my house down. Make sure it's out. Don't set this over a candle. It doesn't work well. Okay, now that we averted that tragedy, let's get back to our box. So next we have, this is going to be our little gem bag. Let's see, what gem do we have? Well, this looks like halite, a raw halite. Doesn't have a lot of the black in it, but I can see just over here on the corner that there is some. See that right there? That's what gave it away, that it's Halite. Halite's a great stone. I have a double pointed tower that I use a lot. And Halite is very calming, and I don't think I have a raw piece, so it's kind of nice to have a little raw piece. You do have to be careful when you're buying Halite. If you see some that are a lot cheaper than the other ones you're looking at, don't buy them. Sometimes they're dyed, so make sure in the description that it says all natural, not dyed, that kind of thing for your Halite. It says Halite gemstone. There's a reason why they say patience is a virtue. It's tough to maintain. Halite is believed to help calmer thoughts prevail by bringing about a sense of stillness so you can remain calm and open-minded. Whenever you're feeling heated or impulsive, take a moment to get settled with your Halite stone. Hold it in your hand for a series of deep centering breaths. Nice! That's a nice stone, and it's a little bit different than, the run-of-the-mill stones that you often get. So, then we have Me Time Self-Heating Eye Mask. I don't think I've ever had a heating eye mask. It says lavender scent, one mask, about 104 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. That's kind of cool. I do like using my masks. I use one maybe twice a month. And this one, as you can see, is for the eyes. But I've never seen one that actually heats up. So I will try that. And in next month's video, I'll give you a review and let you know how this went. Me Time Self-Heating Eye Mask. The single-use eye mask is designed to relieve tension with its gentle warmth and soothing lavender scent. After taking out the mask, create 2 ear loops by tearing the thin layer of material in the center and removing the hole cutouts. Facing the pattern away from you, fasten the mask over your eyes and around your ears. Allow 30 seconds for the mask to warm up. And then it says for external use only. That's kind of cool. I'm excited to try that. So, they've made up a little bit for not having this, although I'd rather have another item. Then we have our little plant drip tray that goes on our plant, and that's always inside the box. And last but not least, I'm super excited for this one, and maybe that's why we got the mister, because you know how it is when you've got to curate things. You only have so much money to go around. I don't know what this is. It says Botanica, a tarot deck about the language of flowers. Oh, that's awesome. Find the deluxe versions of this deck along with a cornucopia. Oh, look how pretty. My dog is dreaming. Woden, you're okay, buddy? He's dreaming upstairs in his kennel. But look how pretty that is. So pretty. Okay. See, this is really nice. This is worth getting the mister. It is. It makes up for the mister. And the mister gets to go on to someone. Oh. Ooh. So, it has a little booklet. And then it has 6 postcards at the end. Look at the artwork. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, look how cute. So, and then on the back of those is this. So it's just 6 postcards that you can send to people. Those are so cute. I like those. That's a nice little touch for the deck. Then this is what the back of the cards look like. So just like like it did on the box. I can't get it to get. There we go. Look how pretty. I love the black and gold. That just speaks to me so much. And then it looks like we have. So I'm just going to pull out a few. Look how pretty they are. And if I'm guessing, there's a symbol on the top there. And I'll bet that's how we look it up. So let me find just a couple here to share. They're all really pretty. Look at that. So pretty. Ooh. They're all just gorgeous. Oh, I'm just loving them. Okay, I'll quit showing you, but oh my gosh, look at that, guys. I mean, they're just beautiful. Oh, I'm excited to have that. So let's kind of look and see if we can tell in the book. So like I said, at the top of each one, you've got that little symbol. So let's see if I can figure out, like that has the swords next to it. Okay, so yeah. So there's your swords, and it has the sword symbol like is on the top of the card, and then it has a 7 in front of it. So that is going to be your 7 of swords. So that's how you're going to look them up in the book. That is so nice. A new deck. I love getting new decks, and the fact that it's flower or plant related makes it even more perfect for me. So let's see what they have to say about it. Enjoy using this gorgeous Botanica Tarot deck to see what's blossoming in your life. This deck depicts traditional tarot card symbolism through the lens of flowers, adding even more beauty to their meanings. Use the included booklet to learn what each card means and how to read your tarot. Yay! Oh, that's a beautiful deck. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful deck. So, this month was a great box. I give it a thumbs up for sure. We got the corn plant, the glass plant mister, the Me Time self-healing eye mask, the Botanica tarot card deck, and the Halite raw gemstone. So I even give this one a 2 thumbs up. The only thing I wasn't thrilled to get was this, but I'm excited to pass it on to someone else. What was your favorite item in the box? Do you subscribe to Lunarly? If you do, write in the comments below and let me know how long you've been getting it and what you think of the box. Thank you so much for joining me here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want to be part of our holistic healing family. Come back often to the channel where you can say, Karma's my friend. Bye, y'all.